One biker was killed in police firing early this morning in the heart of the capital on Parliament Street, and another one continues to be in hospital. Sonal Mehrotra now joins us for more on the story. Sonal, the police say that they fired only because they were actually trying to puncture the tires of the bike. Then how did it hit the person?
Well, that's the question everybody is asking. If I can, the stand which police has been taking so far is the fact that when the first round of firing was taken place in the air, they fired in the air, but when that did not stop the bikers, they did not get things under control. They then fired at the front tire of the bike, which eventually went on to hit the boy. Now I'm here at the place where exactly the incident happened, the scene of crime, and I would like to show you these visuals. My camera person Shameem is showing you visuals of some stones which are still lying here at this point. Another cameraman trying to take shots of that. Now we understand these were the stones which are actually pelted by those bikers at the PCR van, and that this area actually has been cleared out now. This incident happened around 2 o'clock in the morning. This has been cleared off, the PCR van actually been taken off. But just to show you how, in the middle, in the heart of the national capital, this thing took place. We're here at Ashoka Road, right next to two very prominent hotels, also near to a lot of offices and residential places of MPs, etc. Now here, very close to Parliament Street, very close to Janpath, here around 2 o'clock, 2:15 in the morning, we understand, and the scuffle started off when first the bikers in an unruly state, also we understand one of them later, alcohol to be found out of blood, pelted stones at the PCR van. The PCR, one of them actually even getting hurt in that thing. Now we understand that in the second round, the place B where the confrontation actually happened, there the police started firing. First round in the air, second to trying to puncture the tire, but which accidentally went on to hit the man. Accidentally, the word being used by the cops there. So later, both of them were taken to the hospital. One succumbed to his injuries, another one, now out of danger, but alcohol being found from there. So yet, one embarrassing situation for the police, but yet throws a lot of question into the law and order of the national capital as well, Ketki. Now, we've had these incidents earlier where unruly bikers, there have been a ban on them. There are particular roads given, but it's clearly that it's all gone out of gear, as we can say.